Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the factors of 33. Let's start. At first, we will express 33 multiplicatively in all the possible ways. We see that 33 can be expressed as 1 times 33. Next number 2 does not divide this number as 33 is an odd number. So we will try for 3 and we see that 33 is equal to 3 times 11. Now between 3 and 11 there is no number which can divide 33. So we will stop factorizing further. So look that we have all the factors of 33 which are 1, 3, 11 and 33. So the total number of factors of 33 is 4. Now if we look at these factors, we can see that 3 and 11 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime factors of 33 are 3 and 11. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.